Hello everyone, I am Anuja Shrivastava and I welcome you all in biology class. And today I am going to carry forward the rest of the topic of chapter 2 in class 7, that is kingdom classification 1, in which today I am going to tell you about the useful fungi as well as about the harmful fungi. That means how fungus are useful to us. Every time when we are hearing the name of fungus, we are just thinking these fungus are always harmful, but these fungus are also useful. So first things in which the useful fungus is there, that is the baking and alcoholic products. That means one fungus is there and the name of that fungus is yeast. This fungus is very useful for baking industry as well as for the alcoholic product. In baking industry, it helps in the formation of pizza base. It also helps in the formation of cake and different type of wheat products just like bread and the different dough. It also helps in the alcoholic product. How it helps in the alcoholic product? It helps in the formation of alcoholic beverages like wine and beer. They are just going to act on the fruits like apple, grape, and acted on that apple and grapes and convert it into the alcoholic beverages. Now the next useful fungus is that the edible form. That means the fungus which we can consume as a food. So some fungus we can consume as a food, that the fungus mushroom and morels. These are the types of fungus which we are used as a food. One more important edible form or edible product is there, that they also helps in the flavors and texture to cheese. That means जो आप variety of cheese खाते हैं, that is also flavors and the nice textures are given by the different types of fungus. Now the next use of this, that is very important. The next use is in the medicinal value या medicine. That means medicinal product. So one fungus named Penicillium this is very important fungus because it helps in the formation of antibiotic. Name, what are the name? Penicillin and ampicillin. These two antibiotics are there which is made from the fungus Penicillium. Now the next use, that is the commercial product. So if we are going to talk about the commercial product, one fungus is there, they name that fungus is Aspergillus niger. This Aspergillus niger, it helps in the formation of citric acid and gluconic acid. It also helps in the formation of soya sauce by the use of soya bean. That means the fungus are very important because they are going to give the number of things to us. Now next move towards the another thing, that is the harmful fungus. So fungus are very harmful to us. And how these are harmful to us? Because they are doing the food spoilage. They grows on our food and spoil that food, and if that food is consumed by us by mistake, that causes a severe food poisoning. Another important harmful fungus which harms the things, that is spoilage of non-food product. फंगस और क्या करता है? इट स्पॉइल्स द नॉन फूड सब्सटेंस जस्ट लाइक द फंगस. अगर हमारे शूज़ हैं, हमारे कुछ क्लॉथ है, टेक्सटाइल है, अगर वो यहाँ पर बहुत ज़्यादा मॉइस्चर है, ह्यूमिडिटी है, वहाँ पर रखे जाते हैं, तो आपने भी देखा होगा शूज़ पर फंगस ग्रो कर जाता है. दैट मीन इट स्पॉइल्स द टेक्सटाइल, wood, even shoes. Now the another thing is there, disease causing. Different type of fungus are there, those who are causing the different types of disease in plants as well as in the animals. And the common disease which is caused by the fungus, that is the ringworm, athlete food, these are some common disease which is caused by the fungus in the human being. So in this way the fungus are useful as well as harmful to us. Now let's quickly see the next kingdom, Plantae. If we are going to discuss about the kingdom Plantae, it consists of multicellular living organisms which are having autotrophic mode of nutrition. All the plants are autotrophic because they are having chlorophyll through which they are able to make their food. Now the kingdom Plantae is very vast variety and it is divided into the two main groups. The first group is the non-flowering group, and second is the flowering group. In non-flowering group, those types of plants are there which are not going to produce flower in their complete life cycle. In non-flowering groups, it is furtherly divided into algae, liverwort, and moss, and third is the ferns. And in flowering groups, they are again furtherly divided into the cone bearing plant and flower bearing. And this flower bearing, it is again divided into monocotyledonous and dicotyledonous. So this type of division is there in the kingdom Plantae, and this complete division, that means we have to study algae, liverwort, moss, cone bearing, flower bearing, everything, but that we are going to discuss in the next video. Till then, bye bye, thank you.